Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the Galaxy that won't send MMS messages on Samsung A37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. If internet connection is not working properly, so move from your area. After move area, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on messages app. Click on messages app, click on storage, click on clear cache and click on clear data and click on delete. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the Galaxy that won't send MMS messages on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.